routine helps. Routine, patience, love on your hair is going to grow. Nobody can tell me any other thing.
You feel like rain in the morning, giving me mixed emotions, and it's too much sometimes.
Hi guys, welcome to my new video. My name is Toriamotsuka. I do beauty, natural hair videos and lifestyle content. So if you're interested in that, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join in. Yeah. So happy new year guys. We're in 2023. This is like my first sit down video and hair video for 2023. So I'm really excited to do that. So yeah, from the title you can tell that we're doing a easy hair prep for a protective style. I already have my cornrows in. I just took I was on a full frontal hair for my convocation. Yeah, if you want to check out my convo vlog, don't forget I'll link it for you guys. But yeah, I'm going for NYSC next week and I have to make my hair tomorrow. So this is like, let's just like prep my hair for this protective style quickly. And yeah, this is just going to be an easy video. I've already washed my hair. I washed my hair in my cornrows because I don't have time to do the whole shenanigans and all that. So yeah, I washed my hair. This video easier. I used the argan oil sulfate free shampoo. That's what I used for my washing because my hair is not dirty and all that. I just literally just had my frontal for a week, so my hair is not dirty, so I just used a simple shampoo for that. And I also did condition using the hair mayonnaise, black castor oil and avocado oil. Yeah, you can see that. So yeah, we're just going to do this video is going to be like easy. And also I'm not using a detangling brush for this video because I'm trying to stay off detangling brush for a while. I'm trying to like just use my fingers to detangle my hair and all that because I think I'm testing out something. I'm actually testing out something, so maybe later I'll tell you guys why I was doing that. But for now, we just want to prep this hair, so let's like get into that. So first, if your hair is already drying out, you can go in with your water first, like spray it around to dampen your hair. But my hair is still damp from my wash, so I'm just going to start taking this down. So while I'm taking this hair down, I also want you to note that I was in a full frontal install, so I still have like bits of gum. I don't know if you can still see some, like there's still some here. I still have them at the front of my hair, so when I'm taking this part of my hair down, I have to be like extra careful so I don't lose my hair out. And I was also careful when taking down my frontal because I didn't want to lose my edges. And I did a good job for the first time. Like for someone doing a frontal for the first time, I did a good job. I'll also link my how I take down my protective style and detangle here, so that you can go into that because this video is I just want it to be quick and easy. So yeah, I'm actually trying to take my time by taking this down because we don't want to lose hair. Like guys, the growth I'm getting recently is just wild. My hair is growing. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. And I wanted to film a new wash day hair routine for you guys, but I literally just got the message that I'm going for NYSC camp next week, and I'm trying to rush to get my things together because I literally thought it was going to be March. So this is like me rushing, and I have to create my content. This is a new year. We have our plans down, and we need to do our plans. We need to actually get them done. If not, the year is going to be like nothing. Like you did nothing at all. So this is me sticking to my plan and filming it, even though I still have to go shopping after this. But I just need to do this quickly so that I can finally go and do some shopping. Yeah, I'm talking a lot. Yes, so I'm getting to where the gum I have is a lot. From here you can actually see the gum part from here. So what I'm going to do is that I'll separate this out. Like I'm just going to use my fingers to be feeling it out. The gum is like there, so I'll just be separating my hair from the gum lightly so that my strands don't pull off. Just trying to get that in. Okay, so this is where the gum is at. Yeah, you can finally locate that. So, okay, so I'm just going to be pulling my hair from it. That's all we're going to do. It's very easy. Just be light so your hair doesn't break out. I feel like because I deep conditioned my hair, it made it not hard. Like it's just, I can literally feel my product on it, so it's melting away. Now that we're done with that, so I'm just going to show you how I do one section, then that's what I'm going to do for everything. So I don't want my, like I mentioned, I'm not going to use any detangling brush. So yeah, I'm just going to use my fingers and be feeling out my hair now. So we're going to start detangling from the tips, like how you normally do from your brush. So I'm just going to do that to take away some shedding. Like see, these are a few shedding. I don't know if this is shedding or my hair is breaking. I do not know, but the salon I went to, she was a little bit rough, even though I was telling her calm down. But yes, I've not been to a salon in a while, and I don't think this is normal for just one. I don't think this is normal for one. I don't know, but I don't think this is normal. Let's just ignore that. And I'll still go in with a little bit more moisture, like water to dampen my hair. I said that in every hair video I'm going to do, I'm going to do length check. So then after a while, play back my length check and actually see the difference. So let's do one length check now. I'm going to stand up for this. So let's find out where our hair is reaching now. Okay, here. Yeah, it's grown. It has, but I can't remember how it was last time we did that. But yeah, that's the length check. Let's just take note of that this time around. So yeah, so back to it. We're going to go in with the Cantu Shea Butter leave-in conditioner cream. I'm going to take a little bit of this. I'm also going to use the conditioner at that part where I had the glue, just in case there's still a little bit more residue there. So I'm going to be using the Jamaican black castor oil. This is it. I'm going to use that first on my hair and also my oil, yeah, my Ayurvedic oil that I make. I'm running low on this. I'm going to make some and film that for you guys so that I can actually make this, and yeah, it's actually very good. This has really helped my hair to strengthen my hair and all that. So I'm going to make that for you guys probably next week. Don't forget to shake it. Even though it's so little inside, I have to use this wisely because it's so small. So I'll just get a few drops. I put it in my fingers first to get my scalp. Then the rest left in my palm, I'll just rub it around this section. This oil, Jamaican black castor oil. I don't need a lot, so this is what I normally do. I just do this because if not, it's going to be. I just do 2 rounds of this for a section. Then I smoothen that out and yeah, put it on my hair. So in this video, I'm not going to be using shea butter. I know normally I use shea butter on my hair, but I want to get braids and I don't want shea butter. Shea butter, it's good, but it's it leaves build-ups. Like the build-ups from shea butter is always a lot. So when I'm getting in braids, I don't use shea butter on my hair for like my prepping. I normally use it for when I'm doing like my mini box braid or my medium box braid for like just my natural hair. I use shea butter because I can easily wash it out if build-ups happens. But for braids, I like to leave my braids for a month and a half or 2 months if it's still looking good. So if shea butter is on my hair, it's going to be like I'll want to take it out, so I'm not going to use shea butter. So when I'm done with that, I go in with my virgin hair fertilizer. You probably know this already. I love this so much, it's very good. So this is my cream I use. I'm just going to take two also. You don't need much, it's just a small section. So this, let's put that in my palm, but before I actually put it on my hair, I'm just going to put my fingertips on it to get my scalp. This is how my hair is looking now. Shiny, looks good, clean. The residues from the gel, most of them are out. I think they're still a little bit here and there. With time, let me see if I can pick it out. With time they're going to go away. I literally don't have time for that. This is the first section, and yeah, let me do the rest. It's still going. My hair has literally grown. What? I'm too stunned. Routine helps. Routine, patience, love on your hair is going to grow. Nobody can tell me any other thing. Like my hair was never like this, and I've been growing my hair for a long time. Never. Guys, yeah, I'm going to I'm going to come back. Let me quickly do like the rest of my hair and I'm going to come back. Okay, hi guys. Yeah, I'm back now. In real time, that took like an hour 30 minutes. That's the shortest time I've ever prepped my hair for a protective style. So this is good. Like this is nice. So I'm currently done detangling, putting my oils, conditioner, everything is done. Put that in my scalp and massage it here. Like that was the easiest prep ever. For a week, this would have been okay if it was like 2 months or a month, but for a week, this is a lot. I'm not doing this anymore. So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you'll be trying this out, because it was a good thing. So yeah, I'm going to be making my braids tomorrow and I'll also film that for you. So I'm literally looking for what to do because I can't believe I'm done with my hair. In an hour 30 minutes I'm done. Let's just roughly say 2 hours because I washed my hair. I'm done. I can't believe it. I don't know, but thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.